Everybody, Poke Opener here, and I just came back from a flea market, and they had some Pokemon packs, and I decided to check. Hey, I'll grab some, because why not? These are the packs right here. You can see them all. I don't know if I'm here. But we got two Japanese Searing Flames packs, another Japanese pack. I think this is the Evolutions pack, and another pack. We're gonna go. Oh, this is actually Korean. This one right here says Korean pack. So I'm gonna have the Korean pack last. We're gonna have it like this. Never opened these up before, so it's gonna be first time for me. So yeah. I don't know what the color and everything is in here. So, can I get this open? Jeez. I don't know what the pack trick is or anything on this. We're just gonna go straight through. Oh my god. Yo, that's a cool card. Holy crap. Oh my god. I don't know who that is or what that is. That's cool. So I'm guessing it's just one from the front, so it would have been like this card, that card, this one, and then that one. That's a cool card right here. Like, wow. Do I have sleeves, though? I do. I do indeed have sleeves. Alright. But look at that card. That is an amazing card right there. Anyways, moving on to our second pack here. It looks very cool. I cannot open packs today. Like, I cannot. I did yesterday, not today. I don't know why. Anyways, guessing just one from the back. I don't know. Anyways. Ooh, nothing on that pack. That's weird. I'm guessing it's just a random. I'm guessing I got lucky on the first pack. I don't know. But got 3 uncommons and two uncommons and 3 commons. Right. Ooh, it's the other way now. Alright, so I'm guessing this is a code card or something like that. I don't know. Just gonna go straight through like usual. I don't know what the pack trick is. Voltorb, Zaru. Oh my god, we got a Glaceon VMAX. I have the same card in this. In English form, though. That is an amazing card, like always. That is an amazing card. Look at that. It's an amazing card. Again, this is cool. It's cool code card though. I do like it. Very different than other code cards and whatever that I've seen, in my opinion. Anyways, we got another Obsidian Flames pack, I think. Next, got Oddish. Just gonna stop. Oh, thank you. Eevee, another guy, and no hit. It's very weird. And last but not least, the pack that we've been waiting for. Never opened one in my life. It's the first time for everything. We do got Korean pack. Like I said, don't know the pack trick on it. It is Mankey, Slowking. Wait, no, it's Cloth, Corviknight, and we do got a reverse, I believe. I don't know. That's definitely cool. Definitely different. Like I said, never opened one before, but like I'm gonna say, the first time for everything. It's a completely different wrong way. It's very cool though. Do like it. So these are all the not hits today. Definitely different than I've opened before. Definitely weird for a Korean pack. I've never opened one before, but these are all of our hits. I think the one that I like most is definitely this one or that one. I've never seen that character before. This one, on the other hand, I do have seen before. It's very cool. Anyways, it was a quick video for you guys to see me open Japanese packs. Definitely not the first time, but definitely not the last. Definitely the first time opening up a Pokemon Korean pack. But anyways, if you guys liked this, if you want to see more, hit that like button down below. Definitely subscribe to my channel. Getting close on 50 subscribers and whatever, so if you want to see more, if you do want to see more like non-American packs, like Korean packs or Japanese, just definitely like, subscribe down below and whatever to never miss a video. And yeah, just quick for you guys. Peace. See you guys next video. Peace.